this is probably, so let's open it up and wow, there is एक आई थिंक अंदर 2 होने चाहिए जैसा मेरे को दिख रहा है। यहाँ पे कुछ और भी लिखा हुआ है, पैटर्न यूनिसेट। यहाँ पे 1 था 2 था, आई डोंट थिंक सो, आई थिंक इसमें 2 थे जितना मेरे को दिख रहा था। तो लेट मी ओपन इट अप एंड सी। यहाँ पे उन्होंने कालीन भी दिया है एंड उसके अंदर तो एक ही निकला। और अंदर हमें कितने मिले? सिविक। So this is how they have given, I think. So this is the original AE, कुछ तो लिखा है AE weight tarot. In 1981, AE Awate joined the Mystical Society of Golden Dawn and worked with Miss Smith to design, published. Although there are many tarot differences in design, but the classic tarot contained mysterious myth or this is why AE was powerful that is not declined for 100 years. Product of AE tarot made in China, and then ऐसा गो फुक्सी गुंगजाओ डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिटी गुंगजाओ प्रोमिसेस। तो दिस इज़ लाइक मेड इन चाइना एंड वहाँ पे कार्ड है एंड वहाँ पे 3 थे तो मेरे को एक ही इसमें प्रोडक्ट मिला विद दैट कालीन। तो लेट मी जस्ट सी क्या सीन है। एटलीस्ट and it does contain a booklet, so this is like a very shiny something, and it has all the booklet, the magician, everything. So it has all the booklets, कैसे draw करते रहते हैं सब कुछ types. And let's get back to this, and this is like a very shiny card. So this is 2 of wands, this is the fool. It does not have a classic design, but it has a very shiny design, like Isa wala fool, justice, 3 of wands, the magician. This is the hanged man, 4 of wands, the priest, devil, 2 of cups, 2 of swords, 2 of pentacles, page of cups, 10 of cups, empress, tower, 8 of wands, 3 of cups, 3 of swords, and काफ़ी shiny है like, and the star, 4 of cups, 4 of swords, this moon. This is the classic all the ones figure जितना मेरे को याद है. This is mostly biblical characters, the lovers, the sun, page of wands, 6 of cups, 6 of swords, 6 of pentacles, king of swords, king of pentacles, this. The only thing is वहाँ पे 3 ऑर्डर थे, अंदर एक ही है, तो I have to check that कि क्या सीन है. Apart from that, looks good. I don't particularly, my personal preference is not liking the shiny ones, it's a little distracting, but maybe आपके लिए अगर अच्छा है तो it's up to you to decide. And so this was it of all the cards, and उन्होंने कालीन भी दिया है तो आप वो बिछा के भी कर सकते हैं. तो this is it ऐसे करके. The only reason is